Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen.
Welcome back, Chef. Choose one of us to make cookies with.
Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. This time, me gonna try this. P. T. Wow, you. Pet. Oh please, mix with your finger. It, beautiful, it, pet. Okay, how about this? P, T. Oh boy, let's see what you got. It, pit. Oh please, mix with your finger. Oh please, Cowabunga! A cookie that look like pit. Okay, me start word. B. T. Wow, you. Bet. To mix, move your finger in circles on bowl. Easy does it. That's it. It's working. Cowabunga! It bet. Cookies sure bet. Always delicious. This time, me gonna try this. B. T. Oh boy, let's see what you got. But. To mix, move your finger. Come to cookie. It's cookie miracle. But. Me want cookie now, but. Me wait. Oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every word. Go ahead, tap on cookie to take bite yourself. Or me just going to add a wrinkle here, maybe drag cookies over to me. Pet. Nom. That. This like dream. Nom. Pit. Nom. But. Nom. All the cookies for me. Thank you, little chef. Quick, we got to make more cookies for you. And for me, some more cookies. Oh yeah, me go first. B. D. Now, add your letter. Bad. Oh, me no can wait. It work. It bad. No such thing as a bad cookie. Yeah, all cookies taste good to me. Okay, watch this. B.